Coding and Programming Crash Course, Version Control with Git. Introduction. Version control is a crucial aspect of software development, enabling developers to track and manage changes to their codebase effectively. Git, one of the most popular version control systems, provides a powerful set of tools and features for collaborative development and code management. In this crash course, we will explore the fundamentals of version control with Git, its importance, and the key concepts and techniques used in Git-based workflows. Why version control matters. Imagine working on a project with multiple team members, each making changes to the codebase simultaneously. Without version control, managing these changes and keeping track of different versions would be a nightmare. Version control systems like Git provide a centralized repository where developers can collaborate, track changes, resolve conflicts, and revert to previous versions effortlessly. Interesting stories and examples. 1. Linus Torvalds and the birth of Git. In 2005, Linus Torvalds, the creator of the Linux operating system, faced challenges with the existing version control systems while managing the Linux kernel's development. As a result, he created Git, a distributed version control system designed for scalability, speed, and efficient branching and merging. Today, Git is widely used in open source projects and commercial software development. 2. GitHub's impact on open source. GitHub, a web-based hosting service for Git repositories, revolutionized the way open source projects are managed. It provided a platform for developers worldwide to collaborate, contribute, and showcase their work. GitHub's popularity fueled the growth of countless open source projects, fostering innovation and community-driven development. 3. Git in space. In 2013, NASA adopted Git for version control in its Jet Propulsion Laboratory, JPL. Git played a crucial role in managing the codebase for the Mars rover missions, allowing teams to work together efficiently, track changes, and ensure the reliability of the software powering these groundbreaking space missions. Top 12 version control with Git concepts/methods/techniques. 1. Repository. A Git repository is a central location where the entire project's codebase and version history are stored. It contains all the files, directories, and metadata related to the project. 2. Commit. A commit represents a snapshot of the project at a specific point in time. It captures changes made to the codebase and includes a unique identifier, author information, commit message, and a reference to the previous commit. 3. Branching. Branching allows for the creation of independent lines of development within a repository. It enables multiple developers to work on different features or bug fixes simultaneously without interfering with each other's work. 4. Merging. Merging combines changes from different branches back into the main branch, often called the master or main branch. It integrates the changes, resolves conflicts if any, and creates a new commit that incorporates the merged code. 5. Remote repository. A remote repository is a copy of the project's repository hosted on a remote server. It enables collaboration among team members, facilitating the sharing and synchronization of code changes. 6. Clone. Cloning creates a local copy of a remote repository. It allows developers to work on the codebase locally, make changes, and push them back to the remote repository when ready. 7. Pull. Pull fetches changes from a remote repository and incorporates them into the local repository. It ensures that the local repository is up to date with the latest code changes made by other team members. 8. Push. Push uploads local code changes to a remote repository, making them available to other team members. It allows for collaboration and ensures that the codebase remains synchronized across all contributors. 9. Conflict resolution. Conflicts arise when Git cannot automatically merge code changes due to conflicting edits in different branches. Conflict resolution involves manually resolving these conflicts by selecting the desired changes or modifying the code to incorporate both sets of edits. 10. Tagging. Tagging marks specific points in the project's history as significant milestones, releases, or versions. It provides a way to label and reference specific commits for future reference or retrieval. 11. Git ignore. Git ignore is a file that specifies patterns of files or directories that Git should ignore. It helps exclude files such as build artifacts, temporary files, or sensitive data from being tracked by Git. 12. Git workflow strategies. Git supports various workflow strategies, such as the centralized workflow, feature branch workflow, and Git flow. These strategies define how developers collaborate, manage branches, and merge changes to ensure an organized and efficient development process. Summarization. In this crash course, we explore the fundamentals of version control with Git, its significance in software development, and real-world examples that highlight its impact. We discuss the top 12 concepts, methods, and techniques related to Git, including repositories, commits, branching, merging, remote repositories, cloning, pulling, pushing, conflict resolution, tagging, Git ignore, and Git workflow strategies. By understanding these fundamentals, developers can effectively manage code changes, collaborate with team members, track project history, and ensure the integrity and reliability of their software projects. Poem. In the realm of code, where changes reside, Git stands tall as a trusted guide. Version control, its essence profound. Bringing order where chaos is found. Linus Torvalds, a visionary mind, created Git to leave old ways behind. With scalability, speed, and merging finesse, Git became the software world's caress. GitHub, the haven for open source, brought collaboration to a new course. Developers worldwide, united in glee, contributing code for all to see. In space's vastness, Git took flight. NASA's missions powered by its might. Managing code for Mars rover's quest, Git proved its worth, passing the toughest test. Repositories, where code finds its home. Commits capturing changes, never to roam. Branching and merging, developers delight. Working on features, making code ignite. Remote repositories, the hub for sharing. Cloning, pulling, and pushing, codes caring. Conflict resolution, a bridge to mend. Uniting different branches, codes blend. Tagging milestones, versions with grace. Git ignore ignoring files, keeping the pace. Workflow strategies, defining the flow. Organizing development, helping it grow. In the realm of version control, Git reigns, empowering developers with its chains. With these concepts, methods, and techniques at hand, mastering Git, developers expand. Song. Verse 1. In the world of code, where changes collide, Git emerges as a trusted guide. Version control, its purpose profound, keeping projects on solid ground. Chorus. Git, the hero of collaboration's song. Tracking changes, where developers belong. With repositories and commits, it sings. Managing code, the joy it brings. Verse 2. Linus Torvalds, a genius so grand, created Git with a master plan. Scalable, speedy, merging with grace. Transforming version control's embrace. Chorus. Git, the hero of collaboration's song. Tracking changes, where developers belong. With GitHub's platform, it soars. Open source projects, it adores. Bridge. In the realm of space, Git's mission soars. NASA's code managed, it explores. From Mars rovers to distant skies, Git's reliability reaches new highs. Chorus. Git, the hero of collaboration's song. Tracking changes, where developers belong. Repositories and branches, they thrive. Empowering teams, where code comes alive. Verse 3. Tagging releases, milestones embrace. Git ignore keeps the clutter in its place. Workflow strategies, the paths we choose. Guiding development, we'll never lose. Chorus. Git, the hero of collaboration's song. Tracking changes, where developers belong. With these concepts, we stand tall. Mastering Git, we conquer all. Ending note. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link, https://www.booking.com/index.html. 8 = 7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for kind support our NHub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.